So I was most fortunate to have my uncle, Dr. Eugene Rogala. You can look it up on Perplexity. It'll give you a broad scope about Dr. Eugene Rogala.
Yes,
Julie
thank you,
Rogala.
Dr. Jean.
Yes, and
Thank
the
you.
Bucker though, the Bucker, he let me go through the first year of university, okay, without, the benefit of his system that he developed, okay? He's developed the system. He's a healer. Okay, this guy's an orthopedic surgeon, world renowned by the age of 30. This guy was focused more than being the technical doctor. He was a healer. He loves to have people thrive. That's what he loved. And I'm
Well, he had his
continuously,
method. I ain't mad at Dr. Eugene. Dr. Eugene, he had his method done. Everybody
right?
has their methods.
Right? And I got to know some of his colleagues, and they said, this guy Gene, man, he used to come in for his exams, totally refreshed, calm, relaxed. We got bags underneath our bags, like stressed out in the morning. Like, how
Yep.
the hell was he doing it? All right, that we couldn't do it. And so, Gene, being Gene who he was, he developed a system and process of how to get straight A's in school. And my marks in school were good. They're very good in university. But I had the bags. I had pulled the all-nighters. I was under, like I mentioned before, all the stress and everything I was going through. Right? Allowed me to go through, like I said, the first year. And then he said, show me your notebook. So grab a notebook.